welcome to my page. It has solve matrix questions related to matrices. Let A and B be a 3 by 3 matrix such that A is given matrix A 2 0 0 1 5 0 0 negative 1 1 over 2, and determinant of matrix B is given 1 over 10. Which one of the following is equals to determinant of 2 times matrix A and the transpose of matrix B? So how do you find this one? Solution. So what is given? What's required? The required one is 2 times determinant of 2 times matrix A times the transpose of matrix B. This one is required. So how do you write this one? 2 is constant, so 2 times, this one is 2 times determinant of A times determinant of B raised to transpose. Possible to write like this by using the property of determinant. Now, you know that determinant of matrix B and determinant of B raised to transpose is the same property of determinant. So this is, we can write this as 2 times determinant of A times determinant of B raised to transpose means simply determinant of B. Now, what's the determinant of A? A is given. Look, A is given 2 0 0 1 5 0 0 negative 1 1 over 2. If this one is A, so what type of matrix is it? Look, if you look at A, look at the diagonal element above the diagonal is 0 0, so it is, this one is upper triangular matrix. So if it is upper triangular matrix, determinant of A is equal to simply the product of the diagonal, 2 times 5 times 1 over 2. So this is equal to 5. Determinant of A is 5. Now, come to the question. 2 times determinant of A is 5. Determinant of B is given 1 over 10. 1 over 10. Therefore, 2 times 5 is 10. 10 over 10 is equals to 1. So this, the result of 2 times, determinant of 2 times matrix A and the transpose of matrix B is equals to 1. The answer is 1. How do you get it? So if you like it, for further more videos, more exercise, share to your friends. Thank you.